Are you experiencing a noticeable decline in your computer's performance and routine maintenance isn't helping? Perhaps you're dealing with consistent software errors or the dreaded blue screen of death. The problem might not be a particular software or driver, but rather your operating system itself. A clean install of Microsoft Windows 11 can often resolve these issues. Have you recently upgraded crucial parts of your computer, like the motherboard or CPU? A clean install can ensure optimal compatibility and performance with your new hardware. It's like giving your computer a fresh start, free of any potential software conflicts. If your system has been infected with stubborn malware or viruses that just won't go away, a clean install is the surest way to eradicate them. It's the equivalent of a deep cleanse for your computer, eliminating any lingering threats. Sometimes, essential system files can become corrupted. If utilities like System File Checker aren't solving the problem, a clean install might be your next step. It's a bit like replacing a faulty foundation in a house. Sometimes, it's necessary to start from scratch. Maybe you've accumulated a lot of software files and settings over the years, and your system feels cluttered. A clean install gives you a fresh slate. It's especially beneficial if you're aiming for a minimalistic setup or if you're about to pass the computer to someone else. If you're transitioning from an older operating system to Windows 11, a clean install ensures you don't carry over any legacy issues. It's like moving into a new house and leaving behind all the old problems. If you're facing unexplained issues and have tried multiple solutions without success, a clean install can be a diagnostic tool. It can help you determine if the problem is software-related or if it's a hardware issue. If you've been using an older version of Windows that is nearing or has reached the end of its support lifecycle, upgrading to a supported version like Windows 11 is essential for security reasons. It's a bit like updating your home security system. To stay safe, you need the latest technology. Remember, before proceeding with a clean install, always back up your important data. Ensure you have the necessary drivers for your hardware and a valid product key for Windows 11. In the end, the decision to do a clean install is up to the individual user's needs and the specific circumstances they are facing. If in doubt, consult with a knowledgeable friend or professional.